this on today's topic, I'm going to teach about surface area and volume. So, what do you need help with? So, the formula of surface area is SA to V, right? Or if you could do this, it can also mean SA over V. Can goes both way. So let's start. So what's the formula to find a surface area? It is it length times width?
Length times width times height.
That's volume.
V.
V equal out of time. So first of all, we're gonna start. So let's draw a cube. Sorry for my drawing skills. So how do you know which one is the length, the width, and the height?
The length, the width, the height.
So this one will be the height. You see? It's because according to x and y axis, it was going up this way. So if it was going up like this, it will always be the height. So what's the length? Why is it? As you can see, the length go this way. And we can actually know the measurement of the object. Actually, you could know 4 of them, but this one for length, see? So how about the width? It's actually the same thing, length and width, but depending on the situation that the context was provided. But mostly, I want you to remember that if the shape was a cube or a square, length, width, height would all be equal. 3 sides would be equal. So, and that's how we got the volume of it. Length times width times height be the volume. Because volume is, we're trying to find something that's inside here, right? So when we create length, or we got width, got a height, but we don't have the inside. So the inside will represent the volume. Keep up, right? Yeah, that's the basic of it. So let's start with a simple question. No, this one is triangle. It would be too hard. No. So let's start with. So this one is cube. Oh, how will you solve this problem?
Times them.
Times all of them, correct. You will get 10 to the power of 3, or 10 times 10 times 10 equal 1000 will be the volume inside here. So inside here will be equal to 1000. How about this one?
Mm-hmm.
10, 10, and 15.
Times them all together.
No. Yeah, you get it correct, but which shape is it?
Rectangle.
Why is it rectangle? Why is it a rectangle?
This side is longer than the top side.
So the height and width, yeah, the length was more than the length and the width. So if you want to see, if I want to make the picture more clearly, 2-dimensional. This one 15. This one 10. So that's how you find the volume. Do you need help with the surface area?
Mm-hmm.
So surface area is the outside of the cube. For example, if you have this side, this one is the surface area. Surface area. Surface area. So everything that was outside, because in order to find a ratio, volume is everything inside the cube. But surface area is everything outside the cube. So why do we need SA? So why do we need a formula SA to V? In order to find the efficiency between the volume and the SA. So for example, this one is 10, this one is 10, this one is 10, and then 10,000, so volume is 1,000, and surface area is... So the first area is 100, for example, you will get equal 10. 10 is the efficiency of the SA will be formula. But that would be more complicated stuff. This is to make you understand the basic picture of the surface area and volume. So what is this one?
Surface area.
Great. And that's the basic of SA to V. And that's the basic of SA, yeah. And you could simplify the formula. For example, can you factor this one out? Can you factor this one out?
That's 9, right?
Yeah, can you factor it out? 72 and 9, could you factor it out?
Huh?
Could you factor 72 and 9?
I thought that was 22.
You factor 72 and 9.
2. And 2.
No, that's completely wrong. So we need to find a common division factor of both of them, right? So how do you do it? So how many ways 72 could be divided? You take them out. There's 30. Start with the greatest one. So there's 36 and 2. There's 9 and there's 4. There's 1 and there's 2. How about this one? 1, 9, 3, and 3. So which one would you use?
The lowest one.
No, not the lowest one. As you can see here, 9 goes into 9. 72, you could actually do it 2 ways. This one would be a lot easier. So 72 could be divided into what?
36.
36 and 2. And which one is the other one?
Huh?
There's another one, okay. Because the problem like here is you can't really factor from what I see. So you can factor this here, 24 and 3. You know how we get it? I divide this by 3. So I got 24 and there's no remainder, so it's 24 and 3. And another one, just basic multiplication rule, 9, 8, 74, 9, 8. So what do we have for this one? What times what equal to 9?
3 times 3.
And
1 times 9.
yeah, 1 times 9. So which one are you going to use? that actually can divide both of them?
3.
Yes, you could use 3, but it would be longer. For example, if you use 3, it would be 24 and 3. And then what?
Huh?
Because you figure it out, 72 and 9. You figure it out by 3. So divide 3 both sides. Divide 3 both sides, you'll get 24 and 3.
8 and 1.
That's correct. That's correct. You understand it now, but there's a lot. But there's an easy way to that, an easier way to that. It's been 2 and 9. You find the greatest common factor that you could divide them up. 8, 9, 72, 9, 1. 8 and 1. Oh, easier, faster. Now try this one. What did I tell you? Figure it out. What time what equal to 120?
Until 10 and 20.
20 and 20 is 200.
Hey, 10 and 12.
Uh-huh. Oh, this one.
4 and 11.
Is there any common number? Is there a number in common? So we cut this choice out. So 120 and 44, which choice do we have left? Can we use 4?
60 and 2.
Well, this one.
Hey, 2 and 22.
Do they have number in common? Which number?
2.
So you could divide them out. 60 and 22. It's not the end.
30 and 2. 11 and 2.
What can you divide both of them by?
2.
You think is this the answer? Yes, that's correct. This is the answer. Well, we try a bit harder one. How about you try to check? How about you try to check them? For example, this one. 33. 32.